How to replace line breaks with a specific character or with any character. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace line breaks with any character you want in Excel using its built-in feature. No VBA, no function. Let's get started. Now take a look at this worksheet we have here. In column A, everything on this text has a line break after every word. So if I want to convert this data to a CSV, we need to remove that line breaks and we need to replace it with comma. Line break is actually a carriage return option. So if I write here line and I want the break to be in the new line, in Excel we usually press Alt and then enter. That will give us a new line inside the same cell. Right here breaks, and you can see we have placed the line breaks in two lines. Now I need to remove this line breaks and I need to replace this with comma. Okay, so this is the scenario. I'm going to use the built-in feature in Excel. I'm going to click on find and select and then click on replace. So we are going to replace the carriage return or line breaks. Okay, usually we press Alt or enter to tell Excel this is line breaks, but here inside the find and replace feature you cannot press that. It will not work. Here we'll have to press Ctrl J and that will indicate the carriage return or line breaks in Excel, and we are going to find that. You can't see anything here, just a little dot blinking, and that will indicate that we have successfully placed carriage return here, and I'm going to replace that new line with comma. So I'm going to press here comma, and now if I click on replace all, and you can see we have changed something. So I'm going to close it and I'm going to drag it, and you can see all the line breaks has been removed, and here every line breaks is replaced with comma like we wanted. What if you want a different character? Let's say I want to replace line breaks with semicolon. We can do that also. Press Ctrl H on your keyboard. That will give you find and replace feature, and here in the find what option press Ctrl J. That will give you the line breaks or new line character and replace with, let's say I'm going to do it using semicolon. So I'm going to click replace all, and now you can see we have successfully converted new lines with semicolon in Excel. What if you want to replace the new line with pipes? You can do that also. So we have line breaks in cell A1 and all these other cells, and I want to convert all these new lines or line breaks with pipes. So I'm going to use the same keyboard shortcut Ctrl H, and then I'm going to write here Ctrl J to find all the new lines and then replace with the pipe, or you can say vertical bar. Okay, I'm going to click on replace all, and you can see all the line breaks has been converted to pipes. So this is how you can convert new lines with any character in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If this video works for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you can, support the channel through Patreon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.